That's right, the fan is here. It's great and affordable. If you're looking for a fan to send back to your family in Cuba, I highly recommend this one. Just look at its powerful airflow. It really feels great. It has a built-in lithium battery that lasts about 14 to 16 hours on a single charge, which is impressive. Plus, it comes with a small light that has 3 brightness settings, making it useful both day and night. It's currently on sale, priced between $18 and $25, so hurry up and grab it while it's discounted. I'll put the purchase link below, so check it out if you're interested.